We will cite him in contempt. Contempt, sir. Priso yan eh.
Mr. Chairman.
The next to interpolate, yes, Congressman Paduano.
The former president is not yet recognized in telling this committee and me to cite you in contempt. I never cited you in contempt. But, believe you me, I will not hesitate to cite it in contempt if you violate these proceedings. The internal rules, I will invoke Section 11, and your former congressman, and you know that. I never cited you in contempt. Mr. President, well, in fact, I just raised a point of order.
Kaya sir, takot ako sa iyo.
Hindi.
Thank you.
Hindi ka dapat matakot for as long as you follow the rules of this
ako, sir.
committee and you respect the members of this committee.
I will
Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
behave, sir, because of you.
Thank you, Congressman Paduano. The next to interpolate is